Class 8 Minerals and Power Resources Part 1. Dash is one of the leading producer of copper in the world. Chile is one of the leading producer of the copper in the world. Metallic minerals may be ferrous or non-ferrous. Electricity from coal is called dash power, its thermal power. Minerals are classified mainly as metallic and non-metallic minerals. Minerals can be extracted by dash dash mining, drilling, or quarrying. Petroleum is found between the layers of rocks and is drilled from dash located in offshore and coastal area. Oil field located in offshore and coastal areas. Graphite used in the pencil is also a dash mineral. Dash is as no known mineral deposits in it. Switzerland. Dash of the world electricity is produced by idle power. One fourth of the world electricity is produced by idle power. All minerals are rocks, but all rocks are not minerals. True. Minerals are inexhaustible. False. Copper is another metal used in everything from coins to pipes. True. Karnataka is not a producer of mica. True. Gold, silver, and copper are ferrous mineral. False. Deep bores dug to reach mineral deposit are called shaft. True. Chile and Peru are leading producer of copper. True. Name any three common mineral used by you every day. Salt, copper, iron. Name two naturally occurring radioactive elements. Uranium and thorium. Name one ore of aluminium bauxite. Which country is the largest producer of bauxite in the world? Australia. Which is the most abundantly found fossil fuel? Coal. Which country has the world's largest geothermal power plants? USA. Name the places in India which has huge tidal mill farms. Gulf of Kutch. Name two region-rich natural gas resources. Two region-rich natural resources, gas resources are Russia and Norway. Which continent produces more than half of the world tin? Or which continent is largest producer of tin? Asia. Which continent is leading producer of iron ore in the world? Or which continent is the largest producer of iron ore? Europe. Name the two minerals whose production in India contributes a significant part. Mica and salt. Name the first country to develop hydroelectricity in the world, or which was the first country to develop hydroelectricity. Norway was the first country in the world to develop hydroelectricity. In which country is silicon important? From which ore is it obtained? Silicon used in the computer industry is obtained from quartz. Which is the world's largest producer of diamond, gold, and platinum? Africa is the world's largest producer of diamond, gold, and platinum. What is a mineral? A naturally occurring substance that has a definite chemical composition is a mineral. Name the leading tin producer in Asia. China, Malaysia, and Indonesia are among the world leading tin producer. Which two areas in Australia have large deposit of gold? Kalgoorlie and Coolgardie areas Western Australia have the largest deposits of gold. What is a natural gas? Natural gas is found with petroleum deposits and is released when crude oil is brought to the surface. Where are uranium and thorium found in India? In India, Rajasthan and Jharkhand have large deposits of uranium. Thorium is found in large quantities in the monazite sands of Kerala. Where is the site of the world first solar and wind powered bus shelter? The site of the world first solar and wind powered bus shelter is in Scotland. Name some important hydel power station in India. Some important hydel power stations in India are Bakranangal, Gandhi Sagar, Nagarjuna Sagar, and Damodar Valley project. Which countries are the leading producer of hydel power in the world? The leading producer of the hydel power in the world are Paraguay, Norway, Brazil, and China. Where are the geothermal power plants located in India? In India, geothermal plants are located in Manikaran, in Himachal Pradesh, and Puge Valley in Ladakh. Why is CNG considered as eco-friendly fuel? Compressed natural gas is a popular eco-friendly automobile fuel because it causes less pollution than the petroleum and diesel. Why petroleum is referred to as black gold? Petroleum is thick black liquid. Petroleum and its derivatives are called black gold as they are very valuable. Write a brief note on mineral salt. It is obtained from seas, lakes, rocks. India is one of the world leading producer and exporter of salt. What are the two main types of power resource? Or what are the two main classification of power resource? Power resource may be broadly categorized as conventional and non-conventional resource. How are minerals identified? Minerals can be identified on the basis of their physical properties such as color, density, hardness, and chemical properties such as solubility. Which Indian states are the major producer of bauxite? Major bauxite producing areas are Jharkhand, Orissa, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, and Tamil Nadu. What are the advantages and disadvantages of geothermal energy? Advantages: clean, eco friendly, and always available. Disadvantages: located far away from cities and so costly to transport the electricity. What are the advantages and disadvantages of nuclear energy? Advantages: emits large amount of energy. Disadvantages: generate the radioactive waste and expensive. Why is the coal referred to as buried sunshine? Or why is a coal called buried sunshine? Or why is coal known as a buried sunshine? The coal where which we are using today was formed millions of years ago when Gyan burns and swamps got the buried under the layer of earth. Coal is therefore referred as buried sunshine. Who are the major producer of natural gas in the world? Russia, Norway, UK, and Netherlands are the major producer of natural gas. In India, Jaisalmer, Krishna Godavari Delta, Tripura, and some areas of offshore in Mumbai have natural gas resources. All minerals are rocks, but all rocks are not mineral. Explain. All minerals are rocks, but all rocks are not mineral because more than 2800 types of minerals have been identified, but only about hundreds are considered are minerals. Why are minerals considered non renewable? Minerals are a non renewable resource. It takes thousands of years for the formation and concentration of minerals. The rate of formation is much smaller than the at which the humans consume these minerals. Where are the mineral deposits located in North America? The mineral deposits in North America are located in three zones: the Canadian region north of the Great Lakes, the Appalachian region, and the mountain ranges of the west. How are minerals classified and the basis of their composition? On the basis of compositions, minerals are classified mainly as metallic and non metallic minerals. Metallic minerals are further classified as ferrous or non ferrous. How is nuclear energy obtained? Nuclear power is obtained from the energy stored in the nuclei of atoms naturally occurring radioactive elements like uranium and thorium. These fuels undergo nuclear fission in the nuclear reactor and emit the powers. What is an ore? Where are the ores of metallic minerals generally located? Rocks from which minerals are mined are known as ore. Generally, metallic minerals are found in igneous and metamorphic rocks formations that form a large plateaus. Why environmental aspects must be carefully looked into before building huge dams. Construction of huge dams affect the natural vegetation and wildlife of the area adversely. Hence, the environmental aspects must be carefully looked into before building huge dams. Name nuclear power station in India. The nuclear power station in India are located in Kalpakam in Tamil Nadu, Tarapur in Maharashtra, Rana Pratap Sagar near Kota in Rajasthan, Narora in Uttar Pradesh, and Kaiga in Karnataka. Why most industries are concentrated around coal mines? Coal is the most abundantly found fossil fuel. It is used as domestic fuel and also as a raw material in many industries. Hence, most industries are concentrated around coal mines to reduce the cost transportation. Name the petroleum producing countries in this world. The cheap petroleum producing countries are Iran, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, and Qatar. The other major producers are USA, Russia, Venezuela, and Algeria. The leading producer in India are Diguboi in Assam, Bombay High in Mumbai, and the deltas of Krishna and Godavari rivers. What are the advantages and disadvantages of tidal energy? Advantages: non polluting, inexhaustible. Disadvantages: destroys wildlife habitat, difficult to harness. Differentiate between a rock and an ore. A rock is an aggregate of one or more minerals but without definite composition of constituent of mineral. And ore, rocks from which minerals are mined are known as ore. Which one of the following practice will not conserve LPG in your kitchen? Option A: soaking the dal for some time before cooking it. Cooking food in a pressure cooker. Keeping a vegetable chopped before lighting the gas for cooking. Cooking food in open pan kept in low flame. Answer is cooking food in an open pan kept in low flame.